Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make rich and creamy vanilla ice cream. Right now I am on vacation, so I will be filming in a different kitchen for the next 2 weeks. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, in a large bowl, add in the egg yolks and sugar, and whisk them vigorously until they lighten in color. Then into a pot or a large saucepan, add in the whole milk and heavy cream. Mix them together and heat them over medium-high heat until it just starts to boil. Then remove it from the heat. Add a small amount of the hot mixture into the egg and sugar mixture and whisk to combine. Then add in a little more. Whisk to combine. And add in the rest. And again, whisk to combine. Pour the mixture into the saucepan and place it back onto the stove over medium heat and heat it until the mixture thickens slightly, stirring it the whole time. Try not to overheat it or you'll end up with scrambled egg ice cream, which you definitely don't want. Just keep lifting up the spoon or spatula, and the mixture should be thick enough to coat it. If the mixture just runs off, keep cooking. Once the mixture is thick enough to coat the spatula, remove it from the heat. Pour the mixture through a fine sieve into a large bowl to strain out any small bits of eggs that may have scrambled. Then add in the salt and vanilla extract, or I'm using vanilla bean paste so that there's specks of vanilla beans in the ice cream. And mix them until they're combined. Then to let the mixture cool quickly, place it into a large bowl filled with ice water and keep it in until the mixture is very cold, which takes about 20 minutes. Stirring it occasionally. If you have time, you can even chill it in the fridge for about 3 hours or overnight. Either way, the mixture just needs to be very cold. Once it's cold, you can remove it from the ice water and pour the mixture into an ice cream machine and let it churn until it's thick and frozen, which usually takes about 25 to 30 minutes. If you don't have an ice cream machine, I have a video on my channel showing how to make ice cream without one, and I'll link to it in the description box. You won't end up with the really soft and smooth ice cream without the ice cream machine, but it is a way to make it if you don't have one. Once the mixture is thick and frozen, pour it into a large bowl or an airtight container. Work quickly before the ice cream melts too much. Cover the top and place it into the freezer for at least 4 hours until it's frozen solid. Then scoop it up and serve. And that's how to make rich and creamy vanilla ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.